Hi everyone, it's Rob from My Soul Touch. Today I thought I'd spend a little bit of time with you, maybe some of the newbies, to explain the purpose and the intent of massage intake forms. If you go to any kind of professional spa or massage enterprise, you will know that you have to do these online or you have to do them once you arrive on site. Many massage therapists also have massage intake forms that they will use, and they're in varying lengths and they have different kinds of information on them. Some therapists do not use them at all. I think that is a mistake not to use them. Not only a mistake legally not to use them, but a mistake because it does not benefit the client to not use massage intake forms. So let's look at them from the most intensive, kind of intrusive kind of information to the most general kind of information that a massage therapist might gather and why they gather it. I have three forms with me. I have the one that I use, that I created, also two general forms that I downloaded from massage training websites and websites where massage therapists are trained, they get certified, etc., so that you can see what is on each form. The first one, I believe, is the most intrusive for information, but it can be incredibly helpful if you are receiving or engaging in any kind of medical massage treatment, from myofascial treatment, or if you are pregnant receiving a massage and you're receiving massage, or you are suffering from any kind of malady, chronic, long-term, or immediate onset of some kind of physical condition. It could be any kind of cancer treatment or any kind of liver issues and kidney issues or just bone issues. I think this is helpful to use. It's called a patient intake form, and it comes directly from like medical practitioners and practitioners of medical massage. It includes tons of information. So all your demographic information, your family medical history, past medical history, um, lifestyle and occupation, general health conditions, skin and hair conditions. You'll see on the next page, it includes, eye, ear, nose, throat, cardiovascular, respiratory, gastrointestinal, reproductive kinds of information, like checking anything that applies to you. On the next page, you have the neuropsychological information at the top about seizures or concussions or dizziness or poor memory or depression or anxiety. And then anything with the tongue, this is helpful for not only medical massage, but also for some Eastern massage in Eastern practices that include everything from reflexology to looking at the tongue to look at energy balance in the body. And then circling any pain or palpitations in the ears or abdominal regions. And then at the back, any kind of pain or pressure in any areas of the body that you would circle. And at the bottom, it's the general assessment of what you might need. So that's helpful for some Eastern massage and bodywork treatments and energy treatments. That's also helpful for medical massage. The other one I also downloaded from the site is one page. It's the most brief form. It's a great form. It's demographic information, how to be contacted. And that's really important. Some people come from massage and they don't want to give their last names or they don't want to give their phone numbers, things like that. I never tolerate that because I'm like, this is a business for me. I have legal liability. All massage therapists do. And so it's important that people are honest with who they are. It's not like we're going to share it with everyone. We keep it secure in a file, but we need to know. Then it has medical information. Are you taking medications? Because certain medications could be contraindications for massage. Like you shouldn't get a massage or get a massage in this area if you are taking certain medications, or the pressure should be different. Do you suffer from chronic pain? Are you currently pregnant? any orthopedic industries or injuries, because those might also be contraindications for massage. We might need to avoid certain areas like joints or some other areas if you are suffering from certain pain. And we will ask you about it, not to get all up in your business, but to be able to support you with the best massage, best body work, best, best muscle work, tissue work, breath work, blood circulation work that we can possibly give to you. They also ask if you're suffering from arthritis or diabetes or headaches or migraines or neuropathy, because certain types of massage, especially with the neuropathy, we should and should not do certain types of things in those areas. It could aggravate it more or pinch the nerves even more. So we need to know that information. And then massage information. Are you coming for relaxation or therapeutic deep tissue massage? Do you prefer light, medium, or deep pressure? Do you have allergies or sensitivities? Because some massage therapists use different oils and people are sensitive, especially if you're using like a peanut oil or something or an almond oil. And so you really need to share with us what your sensitivities may be. And then what are your goals for the treatment? Whether you want a certain muscle relaxation or pain relief, or whether you want just relaxation, etc., and any areas of discomfort. And that brings me to mine with My Soul Touch. And mine is kind of extensive. It has this and a couple pages and a back page for signature. And the reason I do this just is this is going out to all other massage and bodywork therapists, as well as to all clients and potential clients, either for when they come to me for massage or when I'm working at a retreat or a massage party or something like that. I really do require this. One is who you are, name and address and phone number. That's legal. I need to know that. And then what type of massage, relaxation or custom massage, like a Tao touch, which is very gentle, smooth, long strokes, relaxing, or a customized massage, or a prostate massage, or a Thai oil massage, which combines pressure points and energy lines with Swedish effleurage strokes, or a sports massage. Um, I also ask, do you want it? At this location or at your place? And I only go within 5 miles if I'm going to do an out calls, and I charge extra for that because it's time for setup. And I want clients to know that I'm taking 15 minutes to get to you, plus setting up my table, plus another taking down the table and 15 minutes to get back. That's a lot of time out of my schedule, and I'm trying to make a living out of this. Interest in body work duration, 45 minutes, 60 or 90 minutes. I always ask for days of the week and times they're available because I'm trying to do my scheduling. Interest in extra attention to areas of the body. So I have them, if they have interest in like more around the head or more around the neck or more around the legs or the buttocks or something because they're getting sciatica pain or something, I need to know that. And are there any areas you do not want touched on the body? I want people to be able to set boundaries with me and boundaries for themselves. And so I think that's really important. And on the next page is, well, what are your goals for body work? What kind of oil or lotion do you want, or cream? Um, do you want different things? I try to create a space that's wonderful for people. And so I ask, do you want music? Do you not want music? Are you planning on talking? Because I never talk during a massage. But do you want to talk? Do you want silence during it? Do you want oils or scents in the room? Breath work reminders. Interest in draping. Some people want a full sheet that covers them. Some people want just a towel. I also have sarongs. Some people want to wear their underwear. Other people want to go nude or naked during it. All of that is fine with me. It's for whatever people's personal comfort is on their bodies. Interest in other add-ons like hot stone treatment or compression sleeves for their legs for 15 minutes of compression before they start the massage. Any guided meditation or coaching that they want. Other interests not requested above to customize it, and other things the body worker should know about you. Then I have here health information. Circle areas that where you have chronic pain or there are issues. Do you have chronic issues? Are you taking medications? Any allergies or sensitivities? Any problems or injuries or health issues you're struggling with? I think that's really important for me to know. And then on the back, any prescription drug use, because that could be contraindications to massage. And some people ask, can I come in high? Can I smoke up before I come in? And or have a drink or something. I always say, do not drink alcohol before you come here. Please do not take illicit drugs because it's changing your body chemistry. And the massage will do that too. And that can be very dangerous. And it can not only be dangerous to your body, but disrupt the whole experience. If they smoke up, I've had some people do that, meaning pot, marijuana. I'm not a fan of people coming in high because I think that changes the massage experience. It also changes the body chemistry. But I want you to understand, I've done it with people who come in after they've smoked up to calm themselves down a bit. Um, um, but understand what the therapist may be thinking and why it may not be best for you at that time. And that's not making any judgment about alcohol or pot or anything like that. It's just about the massage experience. And then current levels of pain and sustained stress. I ask about occupation because some occupations, like some construction occupations, law enforcement occupations, put extra pressure on hips or lower back. People that are working at a desk all the time have tech neck, their neck is always bending and stuff like that. So I ask about that. And then they sign off and they have to give me their birth date because I want to make sure I'm legal and not massaging people under 18. Even if they look 80, I ask their birth date. I hope that makes sense for you, my friends, of why a massage therapist asks, what kinds of forms they may use, and how that can be a benefit to you during the massage. My name is Rob Shout with My Soul Touch. That is MYSOLTOUCH.com or Gmail. I hope you benefited from this, and I look forward to hearing from you or seeing you soon. Take care now.